This is the activity of the kid, the student in Kampong Kluk village. They are very welcoming people. So when they saw tourists, they always come and talk. Oh no! Đó pa nang kia chong. Yeah, this is the school. There are two main classes for the student to learn. They study morning and afternoon. The morning class start at 7 and finish at 11. And the afternoon class start at 1 and finish at 5. If they study morning, so they will free in the afternoon. They no need to come back to study again. But the student who free in the morning, so they have to go to school in the afternoon. This is the school, the building, and this is the view of the village in Kampong Kluk. Thank you.